What kind of adventure would this be without any engine problems? And then we break down in the middle of nowhere.
What?
What are you doing?
Eating my Franken beans? Like a hobo?
Yeah.
Where are we, Sushi? Are you happy to be anchored?
So we went 44 miles today. It was our longest day yet.
I got sunburned. Having finally made it to North Carolina, we continued down the ICW, crossing the Albemarle Sound and onto the Alligator River.
Weather was calm and the skies were beautiful. We even saw some wildlife. So it finally happened. Our cat finally fell overboard. It was at the back of the boat. We were at anchor. I heard the splash. I quickly was able to reach it and grab her and save her.
So a wet cat comes bolting through the doors, downstairs, running around, getting everything wet. And I'm like, no. So I grab a towel, I grab her, throw her in the bathroom, and just start drying her off real quick. But yeah, it was a crazy morning. Our first cat splashdown, so. Completely died. What kind of adventure would this be without any engine problems? And then we break down in the middle of nowhere.
The first thing we tried changing was the fuel filter. When that didn't work, things got a lot more serious and we had to start looking at the fuel pump. Okay, here is the fuel pump. You may have leaks in your fuel system, but it could be this, but now we could be introducing leaks into our fuel system. So like, you don't really know if you're making it better or worse. We screw this onto there, then we put it back on the engine, then we screw the other one into there, and hopefully that should be good. The moment of truth. Hey, it runs! Woo-hoo! It works, we did it!